Happy Philippine Jockey Club PJC Wednesday Racing, April 22, 2026. Meron hinandang 7 races at start time po is 5:30 p.m. Regular racing day tayo na meron tig-iisang set ng winner take all, pick 6, pick 5 at pick 4. Good luck mga bayang karerista. Let's G! Race number 1. Start ng winner take all covers. Races 1 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race non-placers. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3A, Confident Surge. Jockey is Ryan Base. Pinapatok ni Carrera Outsider, may panalo din yung ka-couple entry na si I Dominate na rerendahan naman ni Jockey JD Calagos, kaya pwedeng panolo. Second choice niya is entry number 5, Heat Bulanga. Jockey is CP Henson. Maganda ang nakaraang takbo, baka magumento. Third choice is entry number 7, Rocksteady. Jockey is CB Diala. Baka hindi pa ubos ang buenas ng hinete. So dito sa race number 1, eto ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is couple entries numbers 3 and 3A, I Dominate and Confident Surge, pwede daw solo. Second choice is entry number 5, Heat Bulaga. And third choice is entry number 7, Rocksteady. Race number 2, start ng pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 3, Super Gonzi. Jockey is JL Lazaro. Baka dito na makapanalo. Second choice is entry number 4, Everest. Jockey is John Alvin Guse. Mainam ang barrier. At ang third choice niya is couple entries numbers 5 and 5A, Secret Hideaway and Catcall. Jockey is CP Henson and OP Cortez respectively. Baka makadehado. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 3, Super Gonzi. Second choice is entry number 4, Everest. And ang dehado niyang third choice is couple entries numbers 5 and 5A, Secret Hideaway and Catcall. Race number 3, start ng pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Distance is 1,200 meters. Merong 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, Elegant Ludrona. Rerendahan ni Jockey NC Lunar. Nagsilbing batak yung nakaraang takbo, malaki daw ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 7, Siling Labuyo. Jockey is AR Villegas, baka mag-init dito. Third choice is entry number 5, Supreme. Jockey Boy Tapik-Tapik CV Garganta. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider ay dehadong kursunada lang daw. So dito sa race number 3, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 3, Elegant Ludrona. Second choice is entry number 7, Siling Labuyo. And third choice is entry number 5, Supreme. Race number 4, start ng pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ulit 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, King of Sipokot. Jockey is JD Calagos. Napupunto ng manalo. Second choice is entry number 5, Fast Sailing. Jockey is EP Nahilat. Baka mahilot na ng hinete. Third choice is entry number 4, Batang Morong. Jockey is CB Diala. May tsamba. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 3, King of Sipokot. Second choice is entry number 5, Fast Sailing. And third choice niya is entry number 4, Batang Morong. Race number 5, last extra double at daily double plus 1 covers races 5 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system, race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Upscale Bell. Rerendahan ni Boy Tapik-Tapik jockey CV Garganta. Mababa na daw sa laban. Second choice is entry number 5, Copperfield. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Mainam ang mga nakaraang takbo. Third choice is entry number 3, Sega Tolin. Jockey is RD Raquel Jr. Baka maka Grand Slam ang connections ngayon. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 1, Upscale Bell. Second choice naman is entry number 5, Copperfield. And third choice is entry number 3, Sega Tulin. Race number 6, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 7, Doña Patsy. Jockey is K.E. Malapira. Pag napabayaan sa unahan, baka makaraos. Second choice is entry number 2, Brown Missile. Jockey is CV Garganta. Pag maganda kondisyon, lamang daw sa laban. Third choice is entry number 6, Cat Bell. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Baka raw maka back-to-back win ang hinete. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice is entry number 7, Doña Patsy. Second choice is entry number 2, Brown Missile. And third choice is entry number 6, Cat Bell. Race number 7, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 9 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 4, Shanghai Silk. Jockey is JM Estorque. Baka dito na manalo. Second choice is entry number 2, Orange Bell. Jockey is RC Simasio. Magaan daw ang timbang, baka lumipad dito. Third choice is entry number 7, Star of the Show. Jockey is JL Paano. Baka mag-closing ulit si Boy TikTok. Dehadong kursunadang may panalo. At meron fourth choice si Carrera Outsider dito. Fourth choice niya is entry number 5, Push My Luck. Jockey is Ed G. Guerra. Baka buenasin din ang hinete. Dagdagan at paratingan daw ito ng mga dehado. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 4, Shanghai Silk. Second choice is entry number 2, Orange Bell. Third choice is entry number 7, Star of the Show. At fourth choice is entry number 5, Push My Luck.